Hey everyone, it's me, Charisse, and thank you for tuning in today. So today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing, and it's going to be a box filled with hair supplies. I think at the beginning of the year I said that I would not be buying any new products, but this deal was so good I just couldn't pass it by. I have a box of 6 or 7 products here from Aussie Hair, and I just couldn't let it go by. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing. So I purchased this from Curlbox, which is a curl subscription company, but I don't have the subscription. They have one-offs sometime where they offer clients who are not subscribed to their program to purchase boxes, and that's what I did. So this box right here is filled with a bunch of Aussie Hair products, and I was reintroduced to Aussie last year when I purchased another one of Curlbox's goodie boxes, like I like to call them, and it was, my hair loved their products, like absolutely loved. I've been raving about it, I've been sharing about it, and I did share this sale with you guys, so if you did not take advantage of it, I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry, maybe the next one. But I love Aussie products. They're inexpensive and they are so good. My hair loves it. And so that is why I broke, I guess, my New Year's resolution of purchasing more hair supplies. So I'm just gonna jump right into the unboxing, and hope you guys like it. I'm just trying to do something different. So let's go. So like I said, this box was only for $10, and then I got charged like $5 for taxes and shipping. And so this is the first thing that comes out of the box. It is a Live Your Best Curl card from Aussie. Of course, this is their Miracle Curls collection. So this is what's in their box, their Miracle Curls collection. And of course, I got this from Curlbox. This is just one of their little, I guess, marketing cards. And so here's the box. And so it is, hold on, 6 products. So the first one is a Miracle Curls Co-wash with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. It has no added sulfates, parabens, and dyes. So if you girls are really worried about, harsh chemicals in your hair, this does not have it. And this is how it looks. This is the Miracle Curls Co-wash treatment. And this is for dry, frizzy curls crying out for a miracle, which is my hair. So they said, this is infused, like I said, with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. That's what we're going to go with. It gently cleans without feeling like your natural oils are being stripped from your gorgeous curls. And of course, you just wet your hair, scalp, work it in, and then rinse it out. So if you guys are fans of co-washes, this would be good for you. I'm not typically a fan of co-washing just because I prefer shampoos, but to each his own. The next thing in this box is my absolute favorite product, Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Curls Deep Conditioner. And this one it has coconut and Australian jojoba oil, of course, and this just says that it's paraben free. So I don't know if it has sulfates, silicones, whatever in it, but that's really not my concern. That's not something that I'm highly against. This is just for my hair. I can't speak for anyone else. And so this product is the absolute truth. 3 minutes and your hair will feel like a brand new head of hair. I love it, absolutely love it. And this is one of their, I guess, best-selling products, the 3-Minute Miracle Curls Deep Conditioner. It is super good. So it says, experience this little miracle that made us famous. We've imported Australian jojoba oil and infused it into a creamy formula that absorbs into hair in just 3 minutes, and I can attest to that because it really does. Slip into some soft curls with the help of 3-Minute Miracle Curls with coconut. Like, I can't even tell you guys, this is one of my absolute favorite deep conditioners, and I think it's like $6 or $7 in the store, so it's affordable and it works. I absolutely love it. The next thing in my box is a leave-in detangling milk, and this is free of sulfates and dyes for miraculous slip and soft curls. This is how the product looks, and you use this by it has 3 benefits in this one formula, which is nourishing moisture, detangling smoothness, and frizz control for up to 24 hours. I have never used this as yet, but I will try it out, you know. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells delicious. And one thing I like is it doesn't have that overpowering coconut smell, which I like coconut, but I don't like to smell like coconut. Moving right along is Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream. Smells really good. I've never used this product before either. And this is, of course, let's see what it says. It says, our Miracle Frizz Curls Cream infused with coconut and Australian jojoba oil is a lightweight formula that reduces frizz and adds shine so you can flaunt your shiny, defined curls throughout the day. So you work this product into wet or dry hair and indulge in the yummy fragrance. I usually don't put products like this on my hair dry just because it doesn't work as well. So I would probably use this on my wet hair. And it smells really good. So this is product number 4. Next I have a curl refresher, and this says it has maximum hold. One thing I'm concerned about is when it says maximum hold, I always think dry and crunchy, which I don't like for my hair, but I will let you know how it works out. This smells pretty good. And this, you spray this on clean, damp hair, then dry, style, and indulge in the yummy fragrance. It says it holds your curls in place so you can have definition and bounce your curls crave. So hopefully it doesn't leave my hair not frizzy, but really dry. And the last product in my $10 box from Curlbox is a curl defining oil. It's very cute. And it says, it's curls night out and we've got something to help you strut your stuff. Our Miracle Curls Defining Oil infused with coconut and Australian jojoba oil seals hair cuticles to help lock in hydration. And I'm really not a fan of oils just because my face does not like a bunch of oils, and when I sleep my hair just breaks out the side of this if it's the wrong type of oil. So I'm very careful of what kind of oils I put in my hair, and so, you know, I'll try it out. You would use this through wet or dry hair, so I guess it's something I can try. I don't have a problem with it. We'll see. We'll see. And this isn't a regular oil. It's a bit thick, like a kind of gel-like. So I don't know how that'll work out. And that is it. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products for $10, $5 with shipping and taxes. So I really think it was an awesome deal, which is why I got it. And I did share it with you guys on the She's So Major Facebook page. So if you missed out on it, don't forget to subscribe or like the page at She's So Major. I try as hard as I can when I find deals to post on that page. If you're not following on YouTube, please do like our channel, youtube.com at She's So Major. And of course, follow the blog, She's So Major, for inspiration, motivation, hair tips, fashion tips, and everything in between. And that is it. That is my box of curl products that I said I wasn't gonna buy. I think I'm gonna be doing a bunch of unboxing videos, hair videos, daily tips maybe. You know, we'll see how it works, but if you are still watching, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you for the next She's So Major unboxing. Bye!